Hello friends, good evening. Today we are going to demonstrate this crimping tool, hydraulic crimping tool used for crimping these connectors. You must be using these diamond wires in constructions to cut RCC, RCC beam, slab and everything. You must be aware of hydraulic and electric wires machine. You must be using it every day in day out. So you must be using some kind of crimping tool like this. Like this small crimping tool is available in market. This is a cheaper version of it. This is the crimping tool, and it comes with these dies. You can see these dies, but this is very cheap quality one. This is manufactured to crimp aluminum connectors. This is for electrical crimping purpose, electrical cable crimping purpose actually. But for these diamond wires, you need a heavy duty one, and this is the one which we are going to demonstrate today. Now I will show you how to use this and what power this gives and the difference between these two. Now see, this machine comes with this die. These die are hardened and tempered with these are made of high grade steels and hardened and tempered. Now see, this is the machine. This is the cylinder. This is filled with hydraulic oil, and this is the base. See, you can see this piston. This is the whole body is made of steel. Okay, now we will put these dies inside. Like in this position. Alright, so this is the lock. After putting this die, you have to lock it like this. So these are the connectors. These connectors are used to close the loop. You have to cut this wire. The gap between these two beads are 16 mm. You have to cut it in the center, so you will get 7 or 8 mm in both ends. There is a steel core cable in between, so you have to expose the steel core and put it in the sleeve both sides and crimp it like this. Just keep it like this. This one is the lever, you have to keep it tight. Yes, abhi aaya. Yes. Yeah, it's done. So to release the pressure, you have to turn it anti-clockwise. Yes. Now you see it will get released. Okay. You see the result of this. Yeah, the power is too good. This sleeve is made of EN8 steel, and it has been trimmed very beautifully. Now we will use that one and see. एक एंड ये कर दे उसमें, इसका एक एंड. We are just crimping the other end of this one. One end has been crimped with this machine, and the same sleeve we are going to use in this one, and we'll try to crimp the other side so that you can differentiate the pressure and the result. और दे. Yes. Now you can see the difference. This end has been crimped by this machine, and this end has been crimped by this one. See the difference. Thank you, friends.